Hello, welcome to a new video. And for this video, what we're going to do is check, check, check the information, check the system information in Ubuntu. So let's start right away. How are we going to do this? So first, let's go to open your terminal. Just search terminal and enter. And as you can see, it is now open. So first, uh, to check the system information, you can just type u name and a. Okay, here you can see it's going to show you the information in your system. Okay, so here we have some questions that we are going to answer, and here is some uh, command that we are going to use to show the information that is required to answer in these questions. Okay, so here are some commands that we're going to use here. Okay, so first, what is the first question is what is the operating system kernel? So to find the operating system kernel, you can type uname, uname minus a, and it's going to show you the generic version. Okay, VirtualBox version. Okay, this is the kernel version. Or to uh, kung paano i-shortcut yung paghahanap sa kernel version is just type uname minus r. Okay? Then it's going to show you the kernel version right away, directly. Okay? So, secondly, how many CPU cores does the system have and what is the CPU speed? So for this, let's type ls CPU and it's going to show you bunch of information about your system. Okay? Marami siyang papakita na system tungkol sa, na information about sa system mo. We have architecture, the CPU OP mode, the address size, the byte order, and the CPU. So what is the question again? How many CPU cores does the system have? So here we have two CPUs, okay? CPU cores, okay? Next, the next question is, what is the CPU speed? So, kung hindi nyo mahanap agad dito, just type cat slash proc slash CPU info. And magpapakita dito yung CPU speed, okay? Ito yung speed ng CPU natin, okay? Ganun lang. Kung paano hanapin yung CPU speed and how many CPU does it have, okay? So next, what is the total available memory on the system? So for that, just type free minus h, okay? And it's going to show you the memory and swap, okay? So the total is the 2.8 and the use is 1.1 GB, okay? And the free is 910 MB, okay? Ito gig yung total and yung nagagamit dito na total is 1.1 gig, okay? And yung free is 910 MB, okay? 910 MB, okay? But the available is 1.8 gig, okay? So that's for our first three questions. Next, let's move on to our analyzation disk usage, okay? We're going to analyze the disk usage. So here, you can just type the command and answer the questions after, okay? Enter. And the du minus h minus max depth, okay, equals 1. So here we have some questions again, and first question is, which file system has the highest disk usage? So ito yun, yung pinakita natin kanina. Check the disk usage of the file system, and this is the command. And where did we type this? Ito yun, tinype natin siya ito. So ano nga ba ang highest disk usage file system that has the highest disk usage? So the file system that has the highest disk usage is the VBox or VirtualBox, and it's located to Media and Michael, okay? Dev SR0, okay? The next question is, which directory is consuming the most space in the current path? So here we have a question, analyze this space usage for each directory in the current path, and he gave us the command, and here is the command, and let's find the directory that is consuming the most space. So by the way, ang directory nga pala is yung mga nandito, okay? Yang mga yan, okay? The downloads, the documents, the music. So parang bali folder din siya. Directory lang talaga yung tawag namin. So dito, okay? So ano na ulit yung question? Consuming the most space in the current path. So which one is consuming the most space in the current path? So we can see it's the config, okay? Or kung ano natin, itong blank, which this basically means is itong home, okay? So yun yan, okay? Either the blank one or the config. Both are or the snap pala, snap, or the local. So either it's the blank or the local that's consuming the most space in the current path. So dito, sa type na natin, what are the top 5 largest files in the var directory, and are they necessary? So sudo, ito yung command para dyan, to list top 5 largest files in the var directory. Let's type it na. Find, sudo, find, and pag magta-type kayo dito ng command, be very careful sa spacing. Medyo sensitive to sa spacing, and magpapakita siya na hindi mahanap yung command or invalid command kapag mali yung spacing nyo, okay? Var type f execute du minus h plus sort, para lang sort siya, rh head negative n and 5, okay? Kasi yung top 5 largest. So what is your password? Just type your password. Ayun, di ba? Napaka-sensitive niya. So nagkamali tayo ng spelling sa execute. Tanggalin natin, palitan natin ng x and enter. So ito na yung pinakamalaking files in var directory. Itong tanong niya, necessary ba to? So for the genome, yes, it is. Firefox, Ito kasi siya, ito yung browser na ginagamit natin dito. The common themes, nakadepende pero kuwan, masasabi nating necessary siya kasi siyempre gusto mo naman maano yung kuwan niya, 'di ba? Yung desktop niyo, hindi lang yung desktop pati common themes nga, 'di ba? So next is the core. Yes, it is very necessary. The core is very necessary. Okay? So, yun na lahat ng explanation natin about our system information in Ubuntu. So that's it for this video.